Get it up. Hey, we got action.
Yeah, we lit. Disclaimer, I really apologize for cutting my own head out of this video. Believe me, I'm furious and I apologize, but let's get straight to the video.
What's going on, guys? Quattro Game back in the building for another video today. We're gonna see if we can make whatever's in this package fit on my 15 A3. So if you guessed that it was an S3 grill, you guessed correctly. But you probably saw the thumbnail and you already know. So I'm gonna measure and see if this will fit in my current bumper. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so it seems like it's simple enough to get this grill out. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. Looks like it's some T25s that hold it in. And a few clips, so I may have to do some push and pulling and stuff like that. Standard little bolts. Try to carefully remove Mr. Bumper.
Get it out of there. There we go.
All right, I finally got it. After a whole lot of fighting.
Oh yeah. That's a satisfying click. Get it up. Hey, we got action, boys.
We got action, boys. All right, let's get these T25s back in here. Get this back on the car. See how it looks.
Honestly, guys, I was pleasantly surprised with the OEM fitment of the S3 grill. Coming from the Volkswagen side, just the slightest difference in part number can mean that the grill or body piece just doesn't fit any at all. So to see that the S3 grill fits in a normal A3 bumper is actually quite refreshing. So if you want to do this mod, I definitely highly recommend it. It's a plug and play kind of thing, and it fit on the car very well and fit the color scheme of the car even better.
That's what I'm talking about.
Sipping it up, check out the pack, we shipping it up. I'm still sipping purple in the drought. I gotta run from the cut. I cannot run from the up. I brought the K, let it pop. She let me get in that butt. Drip had to toe like a nun.